How to sell Google Sheets template online. In this video, I will show you how can you easily sell the sheets of Spreadsheet or any Google document template online. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to know which website sells these templates. So there are a lot of websites on internet selling templates, but according to me, the best one is the Etsy. In this, you can sell all the websites in reasonable price. As you can see, if you search the templates of Spreadsheet or any other Google document in this website, you will be able to see it. Now, all you need to do is firstly create a template of your own. Edit all the designs which you want to edit. You can use Zapier website if you want for further editing process, or you can use simply Google Docs. Now, after you're done editing your template, what you need to do is you need to go to Canva application and there you need to make it a template. After you are done making the template, now you need to upload it in the Etsy website and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can create a template of Google Doc and sell it on any website. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.